This is better than 100 plumbers. The drain will never clog or smell. I'll show you how to make a product that destroys the unpleasant bacteria causing bad odors. You'll forget about clogged drains. It only takes 2 minutes to prepare this solution. It also prevents blockages and reduces mineral buildup in the drain. Take a container and add 5 tablespoons of dishwashing detergent. A thick one works best. Now, take a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Lemon has amazing cleaning properties. It's a natural agent that breaks down grease and dirt. Pour a few tablespoons of the juice into the container with the detergent. Also, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is a great disinfectant on its own. Mix everything well. You'll notice that the ingredients have formed a thick cleaning solution. Now let's combine it with basil tea. Boil fresh basil leaves in water. The tea helps eliminate the heavy odors that come from clogged pipes. Pour the mixture into the drain overnight. Be sure to rinse with very hot water the next day. Repeat this a few times a month to avoid unpleasant smells and clogged drains.